In this video from Device Doctor, we're going to fix the problem of missing black and yellow colors in the Epson L6490 printer. If you're also having trouble with missing any of the four colors, stay with us. We'll show you the complete and effective solution.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
First, you need to print a nozzle check test. This helps you clearly see how serious the problem is and which colors are missing. To do this, just go to the printer settings, open the maintenance section, and select Nozzle Check. Then press Print. In the Nozzle Check print, you can see that the yellow and black colors are missing, while the cyan and magenta colors are working perfectly with no problems. Important notice: lack of technical skills. If you're not experienced in printer repairs, don't attempt it. Tools and equipment: ensure you have the proper tools. Recommendation: take your printer to a certified technician to avoid damage. Step 1. Move the printhead unit to the center. This will give you easy access to the printhead and dumpers, so you can work on them more comfortably. Step 2. Remove the cover. Unscrew the cover on the printhead unit and carefully take it off to access the internal parts. Step 3. Remove and filter the dumpers. Take out each dumper one by one and use a 50cc syringe to carefully perform the filtering process. Step 4. Remove ink from the back of the printer. After filtering and reinstalling the dampers, open the back panel of the printer. Then, using a syringe, carefully pull out a few cc of ink, just like shown in the video. Don't worry, it's not a difficult step if you follow the process. Step 5. Perform a cleaning cycle and test. Now, in the final step, you need to run a cleaning cycle on the printer. This will take about 3 minutes. After that, print a nozzle check again to see if the issue is resolved. The yellow color issue is completely fixed, and the black color still has a minor problem. But don't worry, with a few more cleaning cycles, this issue will also be solved properly. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech fixes from Device Doctor.